It is both a privilege and a profound pleasure to be back amongst you today at the 16th edition of the Brand of the Year Awards. I am particularly touched to recall that this marks the fourth occasion I have had the honor of presiding over this prestigious ceremony. My previous three engagements during my tenure as the Prime Minister of Islamic Republic of Pakistan allowed me to witness the nascent growth of a brand ecosystem. Today, as the Chairman of the Senate, I return not just as a guest, but as a witness to your remarkable journey of resilience and evolution. This continuity is not a mere coincidence. It is a testament to my unwavering belief in your cause. I have seen this platform grow, and more importantly, I have seen the brand business community it represents become an indispensable pillar of the national economy. Today, I wish to speak to you about a simple yet powerful idea, the brand path economy. In the traditional sense, an economy is built on agriculture, industry, and services. But in the 21st century, a new potent layer defines its strength, the power of its brands. Why is this so crucial? First, brands command premiums and build trust. A product is what you sell. A brand is why people buy. It is a promise of quality, consistency, and value. When Pakistani brands earn consumer trust, they can compete not just on price, but on value. This builds sustainable profitability, moves our industries up the value chain, and shifts our national identity from being a market of commodities to exporters of premium trusted products.